Hello, this is Brad Campbell with CIT 336. This is my final project video. I'm starting out on the Acme homepage with no one logged in. First thing we're going to do is go to my account, and we're going to create a new user. First person we are going to do will be Tim Tebow. He got a double yesterday in minor league all-star game, so we will use him. And we'll click register. Thanks for registering, Tim. Please use your email and password to log in. First thing we're going to test, we can go to the cookies and see if the first name cookie is there, and you see it right here. First name, value, Tim. We're going to exit out of that. We will go back to the login. We're going to log Tim in. Tim is in now. Just update my information. So Tim is not an administrator. Okay. But we will go up here and we'll go look at the cookie information again, and we'll see that it has been deleted. And the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to check CSS for the site. No errors found. And I will check this page as well for HTML. No errors. So we're going to log out Tim, and we are going to log in with an administrator. Let's go to my account, and we will go to myself. Administrative functions, use the link below. We'll go up here and we will check the cookie out again just to make sure there's no first name cookie in there. Exit out. We'll go to the product management view, and right here you have the featured list. You also see Welcome Brad, which is part of the assignment. And we are going to select let's just do the sticky fence. As you can see, the message reads, the sticky fence is now featured. The grand piano is cleared and no longer featured. We will validate the HTML here. No errors or warnings to show. We're going to go back to the home page. As you can see, the sticky fence is featured. Now we're going to, as you can see, also the Welcome Brad message is still up in the right. We're going to check for responsiveness. As you can see, it is responsive. Up here, go up. Canon, Welcome Brad, Explosive, Welcome Brad, Miscellaneous, Welcome Brad, Rocket, Welcome Brad, Trap, Welcome Brad. We'll click Welcome Brad again. We'll go back to the, just go to update my information. You still see there that says Welcome Brad. Go back to the product management. Go to insert a product. Still says Welcome Brad. Go to insert a category, still says Welcome Brad. Go back and we're going to select a new featured item, and we're going to select, let's just do the mallet. I work in the legal field, so I do like the look of that mallet. So as you can see, the mallet is now featured. The sticky fence is cleared and no longer featured. So we'll go back to the home view, And there's the mallet being featured. Again, we will check the responsiveness. It's there. And we're going to log Brad out. As you can see, it will be deleted. And we'll go back to the cookies. As you can see, there is no first name cookie. So I believe that's it for this project. If there's anything that I missed, I'm sorry about that. But Brother Robinson, I've enjoyed your class very much. Thank you for making me a better person and better student, and for teaching me about back-end development. I know that I still have a ton left to learn, but hope I get to learn again from you another time. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, Brother Robinson, one other thing that I failed to show, I needed to show you that the inventory changed. Inventory table changed. And get down here to where I can scroll this thing. So as you can see, the table did change for mallet. It is right there. All the other items are null. And if I go back to the Acme controller, excuse me, Brother Robinson, I gotta minimize this here. And I'm going to log back in with administrative privileges. And go to product management, and I'm going to select the crash helmet. When we go back to home, you can see that the crash helmet is featured. I'm going to go back to my PHP My Admin. We're going to go back to the inventory table. Show you that it did change. And you can see that we are on the crash helmet. Now it is a 1. And the rest of the items are null. And the last one that we had was the mallet. And it's right here, number 10. And you can see that it's still a null. So thank you, Brother Robinson. I hope that was everything. I think it is now. That I looked at that. So thank you very much.